What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. Okay, so I'm awkward. Today I'm going to be doing a video about the top 10 things I wish I would have known before going to college. This is what I felt through my experience in college, things I wish I would have known. And I feel like it would have been way better, but you know, you learn from your mistakes and it will get better. If you're about to go to college, you've probably heard these things.
A million times.
I know I was told some of these things. Literally, do them, and your year will be so much better. Like, I promise you. Number 1, fill out your FAFSA as soon as you can. As soon as it comes out. What are you waiting for? It's free money. You can literally get free money. I don't know what I was waiting for. A lot of people are like, well, I need my parents to help me. Whatever, I'm waiting for them to help me do it. Whatever. That was my situation. But you need to literally be like,
Fill this out for me right now.
we're grown now, apparently. Number 2, make sure you take advantage of the scholarships that your school is providing. Usually there's some type of scholarship portal, whatever, that you can fill out, but there's deadlines for it, and if you miss the deadlines, then you're out of luck. And I've missed the deadlines before, so I'm trying to let y'all know, so you know, fill out those scholarships because it's literally free money. You just sit down and do it, and they're like legit. I know there's some scholarships online that you can't even tell if they're real or not because they look fraudulent, and then they send you to all these unsecure websites, and it's really confusing, and then you end up having all these emails go to your email that you don't even know what they're talking about. 3, the freshman 15 honestly is not a myth. I gained 8 pounds my freshman year, quickly lost it because I was like, oh heck no. These are some things that I think might cause it. So number 1, the unlimited food plan. A bunch of my friends had the unlimited food plan, and honestly they didn't seem to gain a lot of weight. I'm sure that it does add to it. Like, you can literally go eat whatever you want whenever you want. My food plan, I only had, I think it was like 188 something. I can't remember what it was. It kept me from going. I would only go like 2 times a day. But I did end up running out because I kept swiping my friends in, because you already know, like, I'm nice like that. You guys want to eat? I'll let you eat. If there's someone sitting outside who needs swipes, I'm gonna swipe you in. But my parents might get mad about that. Number 2, usually the desserts, the cookies, the ice cream, the cake, everything is located near the exit of the cafeteria. This is not good. Okay? I'll go in, eat my salad, eat my green beans, eat my whatever I'm eating, my rice, my beans, whatever. Then I go to walk out and it's a whole platter of cookies and ice cream and cake and deliciousness
That I want.
because I love sugar so much. But just avoid it, or give yourself a day. Be like, it's cookie day, it's ice cream day, whatever, so that you don't go back to your room and you're like, are you serious? I just went to the gym. Why did I eat that? So you gotta get yourself on a schedule, because you go to college and you have a cafeteria. You can eat whatever you want. You want pizza for lunch, you want pizza for dinner, you want pizza for snack, you want ice cream for snack, you want french fries for snack, you want whatever for snack.
Then you can have whatever you want for snack, okay?
Number 3, you stopped exercising because you don't have time. You don't have time. Nobody's got time. But I know you are sitting there on your phone for 15 minutes in your bed before you go to sleep, or 30 minutes or an hour, whatever it is. Go there on the floor and do you some crunches. Do you some push-ups. Do something, because if you don't, it's gonna happen. Number 4, birth control. I got on birth control and I immediately started gaining weight. Now, this isn't the case for everybody, but it was for me, and I had to stop because it started making me pack on the pounds, and I was not about it. It was really just, it made me a crazy. I was acting crazy. I was just doing everything crazy. So, no, I'm not doing that again. Unless I have to. For, like, Accutane or something. Number 5. Netflix plus procrastination. This is a very bad combination. You watching some Netflix, then you want a snack, and you're procrastinating.
You're like, oh my gosh.
Well, at least for me, I'm like nervous eater, I think. So you sit there eating all the snacks in the world. 5 packs of ramen noodles later. 5 packs of ramen noodles, a bag of Doritos, and some Sour Patch Kids later. So back to the main list. Number 4. Please join something on campus. Take advantage of everything. There's employment on campus. Literally, you could be at school working at a desk job, doing your homework, something, making money. I literally like watched people do it, and I was like, I should do that. Didn't do it. Literally, it's such a good decision. I was honestly so bored because in the beginning of the year, I was like, yeah, I'm going to do all these clubs and la la la. But I ended up just like dropping basically all of them except for one and didn't really keep up with it very well. I know as a freshman, like, there is so much going on. You're trying to figure out college. You're trying to figure out what's going on. Something completely new, completely different. Providing for yourself. I know it's really hard, so. Number 6. Everyone on campus is actually like, it might not seem like it might seem really intimidating, but mostly everyone is willing to make friends with you. Like, willing and happy to make friends with you. Just like, even if you're just chilling, like, be like, hey, what's up? My name's Gabby.
What's yours?
Like, I didn't do enough of that my freshman year, but this year, like, I really plan on implementing a lot of these tips because you need to make the most of the time that you're there, because if you don't, like, you're really gonna regret it. What number was I on? Well, let's just say I was on 7. If you run out of food, try to see if your school, what does it look like when I look over there? I don't know. I don't know whether to look at the camera or my face. So I'm just gonna look at my face, so it doesn't look like I'm staring into your soul. Okay, I really need to get on topic. 7. So if you run out of food, try to see if your school has a food pantry. So at my school, at UNC Charlotte, we have a food pantry, and it's for people who maybe, like, you're running out of food, you don't have money to buy food, and you can go there and they'll help you out, just whatever. So 8, I think. Guys, I don't know what number I'm on. Also, if you don't have any money, what I did was, for extra money, you know, like, you want some food, you want some gas, whatever, and you're not scared of needles. I'm not scared of needles, and I have a huge vein on my arm. You can donate plasma, and it actually gives you, like, a pretty good amount of money. You can do it, like, twice a week. I was making, like, $35, but the first, like, 5 times you go, it's, like, a pretty good amount of money every time. It's, like, $70-something. So yeah, there's that. It takes, like, 30 minutes. Like, for me, it takes, like, 30 minutes, but that's because I'm in there, like, pumping. I'm like, okay, we're gonna stop talking about that. I forget what number I'm on, but, so whatever number we're on, take advantage of your advisors, meeting your teachers, the tutors, the writing center, the library, what else? The career center, did I say that? Whatever, everything, a math lab, whatever you have. Freaking, you're at school to do school, so use it. I don't know how many times I was told this. I used it. Did I use it all the time? No. Why? I don't know. It's free. It's so helpful. My test scores went up drastically. But you do need to schedule, you need to plan, you need to get an agenda, you need to write this stuff down, you need to get organized, everything. That's what you need to do. So that's what I need to do. And watch myself telling myself to do these things so that we can be successful all 2019. I'm guessing it's 9 because I have 2 things left, so 9 probably. If you make a mistake, if you miss a homework, if you wake up late, if you miss class, if you have a breakup or do something wrong, like something happens and you're like down and you're like beating yourself up, like just know that this is not the end of the world and it's gonna get better. You're at school to do school, to have a better future, to learn, to become the person that you want to be. So just know that like everything that happens, like you can learn from it. Just like use those things that you've learned and apply it to the rest of your life. You wake up late, set multiple alarms. Set multiple alarms, please, because if you don't and you stayed up really late studying and you turn that first one off and you don't have another one, you're not waking up. Sorry. You missed an assignment. Maybe you try to talk to the teacher. Maybe just try not to do it again. My last thing, so probably number 10, is do not forget to have fun. Like, you are in college, you're alone for the first time. Have fun. Go out. Make friends. Do something crazy. Not too crazy. Don't do anything illegal. It's not worth it. It's honestly not worth it at all. Also, don't have too much fun because you are there for school. You need to study. My problem was that I was studying constantly studying in the library, hours on end, homework on end. But my problem was that I wasn't taking advantage of the tutor. I wasn't really taking advantage of all of the things that I should have been taking advantage of. That would have decreased my studying time. I was studying for hours on end, 10 hours at a time. And I was like, why am I not getting the grades that I want? But that's the reason. Like, you can't just sit there studying every day for 10 hours looking at something that you don't even understand what it's telling you. If you are the type of person like me, I need someone there to help me through things. And as soon as someone tells me and in a way that I understand, I'll know it. Just like that. So just remember to have fun, or remember not to have too much fun. Maybe set like a day that you're going to go out. Set goals during the week. You get your stuff done before you go out. That's all my tips and tricks for things I wish I would have known before going to college. If you guys like these, then let me know down below. If you like this video, then like and subscribe so you can see more. Have a good day, guys.